What's up, everyone? Aubrey Trades here with I wanted to make a quick video just with some thoughts reflecting on how my trading's going and some things that came to me as I was just taking a little break earlier. I think this week is showing me the importance of really focusing in. I think for the good of myself, I need to not do the listed plays, at least the front side of the listed plays. I think if I'm going to do anything, it should be fishing for the stocks like ATER, which I always end up pointing out in the pre-market videos when they're like going to bounce off of these lines. I think if I try and do this, which is basically a variation of the OTC dip buys that I do. But I don't think I need to be chasing the front side of the moves. I should just really stick to the OTC plays that have been successful. And yeah, I mean, that really should just be it. If we go over to Trader View, you can see on this reports, like here's the week where I was focusing mainly on the OTCs. And then I had a big loss here with PBYA, and I'm just gonna go ahead and guess that I was oversized on this trade, just given the volume that I played it with. Yep. And this was a me mistake. I had a good trade on it early in the morning, but I did the math wrong and was way undersized. So it was basically, even though it was a gain, it was a scratch. And so then I tried to kind of like revenge-y get it here on the bounce, even though it was up so much already from the bounce. And I flung so much size into it because I wanted to make it a profitable trade, and then I ended up taking this fat loss. So that's a me thing. That's a I shouldn't be doing that thing. But then this next big red day is on support.com. Another listed that I fumbled through. INQD is an OTC failed bounce, but I also was way oversized. This is twice the position size that I take on OTCs. Like, I don't even know. And I bought this at 2 cents. Yeah. So that's like literally twice as big of the position size that I need to be taking. So that's another me mistake, right? $94, $54 on what did I make? TCAT was a listed that I got, and LCLP. I filed this under FOMO, but I made money on it. Funny. So yeah. And then the TCAT was one that's like, this was an A+ pattern. And then, yeah, here's like me bleeding because I'm taking random trades. So even just cutting those out would probably make my green days bigger. LCLP, right? Here's just random trading noise. Here's this big loss day, INQD. Oh, we just talked about that, and that was me being way too oversized. Another me problem. Tried buying into a halt. This was a random trade, a random listed trade that I impulse bought. So crazy. I impulse bought this trade and then took the L. So dumb. So clearly me mistakes, and then clearly on the days that work, it's coming from Lucy, right? OTC. On the days that work, $82, it's coming from, Lucy. Like, there's a very clear theme that's going on right here. Very, very, very clear. Here's this, what's this L? ETST, and this was a chase. This was an OTC chase, right? That's fine. User error. Why are you buying this? The play was here. The play was here. So I can fix user error. Here I made $22 on ELIS. Random trading noise, amplifying my losses on BBig and Icy. So there's a very clear case. There's a very, very clear case for just cutting out all of the OTC trades. Like all of them. ERYP, $80 loss. This is a listed. Yeah. So there we go. That's my takeaway. I just need to be completely focused. And I think I treat every week the way that I'm treating this week, where I start off very cautious. Only the gimme plays. Only the gimme plays. Only OTCs. Only the gimme plays. Get green. And then my job for the rest of the week is to just stay green. Don't take a random listed trade. Just don't. Unless it's basically the dip buy that we talked about where it bounces off the lines. Don't be so eager to chase the front side of whatever hot listed runner of the day is. I think that's my ultimate take. Or if I am, it's got to be like crazy stupid $2 risk, right? To where it doesn't matter. To where I can just focus on finding my OTCs, and then I set these little $2 risk lures on these little bounce trades. Anyway, so I hope you got something out of that. That's just how I'm adjusting for me, right? That's what's going to make sense for me as a trader. And it might be different for anyone else. It might be different for you if you're watching this video some point in the future. So all I can do is make this and document my journey, and I hope that it can be useful to other people out there trying to do it. And I know that sometimes it can be kind of not tough, but when you see people that are really good, like the popular traders, and they've already made 500K, they've already made their multiple millions and this and that. That's super cool. And some of them have done a really great job of documenting their journey as well, which is sort of what I'm looking to do in those footsteps. Make this like real-time live trading journal that's video logged, so any trader that comes up can hopefully get something out of the journey that I'm going through, because I'm just sharing everything that I'm picking up along the way. I mean, detailing a risk management strategy, detailing like where I'm putting support lines and this and that. So, you know, assuming that I figure this out, which I know I'm gonna, because it's the type of person I am. I just figure things out. It could be helpful, and it's good for me too. So I can reflect and extract these lessons from these stupid losses, because I'm keeping it small so I can really just learn from everything. But also I like that it's real money. I like that I've set like a max loss. And so I gotta really get everything together, and we figured out what's working. We just gotta keep it up, and this stuff is so hard. It's like, it's just on you. It's on your own discipline. It's on your own focus, your own resilience to get up. You know how annoyingly gut-wrenching it is when I have those like, man, I lost $100, or I feel good because I made like $20 for like 4 days, and then I just lost $120 all in one day, and I'm just like, what am I doing? Anyway, that's all for the video. Thanks so much for watching. You know where my head's at. Focusing only on OTCs and small size on the listed bounces. Gotta stay disciplined. This has been a good week for me so far. It is only Wednesday, and hopefully by making this video, it just hammers it into my head so that I can keep staying but disciplined through the end of the week and really start to pull up on this equity curve. Anyway, if you got value out of this video, please hit that like button. Really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below what other type of videos you want to see out of this channel. Thanks so much. I will be back later with a market close recap. I'll see you in the next one. Aubrey out.